Welcome to CommBox. In this video, we will explore how to use one of our platform's key features, tags. Why are tags important? Tags are a valuable tool for categorizing customer inquiries and linking them to relevant service areas. By tagging a customer's inquiry, agents can gain a clearer understanding of their customer's intentions and better track the service provided. For example, tags can be used to label customers such as VIP customer or new customer, or to categorize conversations like customer retention or sales call. Additionally, tags are reflected in reports, making them essential for performance analysis through CommBox's advanced reporting tools. Now, let's see how to create a new tag. Navigate to Settings. Choose Organization. Then, click Teams. To create tags for a specific team, click the desired team in the tree diagram here. Before that, let's understand what team assets are. Team assets are tools and resources assigned to a team to enhance its operations. Tags are included in team assets, along with inbox filters, knowledge base items, keyboard shortcuts, and channels. Teams can inherit assets from higher-level teams and automatically receive updates to those assets. For example, when a team manager creates tags, they can assign ownership of these tags to their team or a team lower in the hierarchy. If the team transitions to a different branch in the organization, their access to these tags remains unaffected. Now let's create a new tag for the sales team. Select the Tags tab and click Create New at the bottom of the list. Choose a name for the tag and select one of the following. Tag, a regular tag. Tag Group will create a new group of tags. Goal, select this option to define tags that target sales, creating leads, or any other targeted task. Miss, select Miss to define tags that mark a customer complaint or a failed deal. Then, click Create to finish the process of creating a new tag. In summary, we learned that tags help you identify the nature of the customer's inquiry. Remember, tags appear in reports and are essential for analysis and your business decision-making. Please proceed to the next video to learn more about our system. The CommBox team will be happy to assist you with any questions here in the portal or on our website.